How to become a Google Workspace reseller. Let's get started. First, you'll need to understand the requirements. To become a Google Workspace reseller, you will typically need to manage at least 100 seats and have 2 team members with Google Workspace technical certifications. Apply to become a partner. Go to Google Partner Advantage website and fill out the necessary application forms to start the process. Complete the required training and certifications. There may be some cost involved, but it's crucial for meeting Google's partner criteria and unlocking reseller status. Consider teaming up with a distributor like SureWeb or AppDirect. They can help you manage licenses and provide backend support, especially helpful if you're just starting out. Next, build your client base. Offer value-added services like onboarding, training, and ongoing support to attract and retain long-term customers. And that's how you become a Google Workspace reseller. If you found out this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.